Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Ninja 400 with ABS brakes, twin cylinder, fuel injected. This lightweight sport bike just arrived with just over 4,000 miles. Beautiful metallic gray paint scheme. I love that ghost writing on the Ninja on the fairing. It's got the tank pads. Never been down. Come on by. Make your Ninja 400 with ABS dreams come true for just $62.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.